Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Learning Channel. I'm Mia, and I'm so happy you're here today.
And I'm Alex. Thanks for joining us, friends. If you're new here, this is the place where we have real English conversations. Simple, fun, and easy to understand.
Yeah, we talk about real life, real feelings, and real English. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and listen every day to improve your English naturally.
That's right. And today's episode is all about something we all feel every single day. Our emotions.
Yes, we'll talk about how to express your feelings when you're happy, sad, or angry.
Ooh, that sounds emotional already.
Don't worry, Alex, I'm not angry today.
That's good. Okay, let's start with something positive. Happiness.
So, Alex, what usually makes you feel happy?
Good question. I feel really happy when I spend time with my family. When I sit with my mom and dad, have dinner, and talk about our day, it just feels warm inside.
Aw, that sounds lovely. Family time always brings comfort.
Yeah, it really does. Oh, and I also feel happy when the weather is nice. When the sun is shining, the sky is blue, I feel so good.
Me too. I love sunny days. They make me want to go out, maybe walk in the park, or have ice cream.
Ice cream, yes, that's a happiness booster.
Definitely. You know, sometimes happiness comes from small things.
True. Like when someone smiles at you or says something kind.
Yeah, or when you listen to your favorite music or watch a funny video.
Or when you finish a difficult task. That feeling of, yes, I did it.
Oh, I love that feeling. It gives so much energy.
So, for our listeners, when you want to express happiness in English, you can say simple things like, I feel happy, or I'm so glad today, or I'm in a good mood.
Yes, you can also say, I'm feeling great, or I'm so excited, or I feel amazing.
And don't forget to show it with your face. When you say it with a smile, it feels real.
That's true. Words are powerful, but your face tells the story too.
Hey Mia, when was the last time you felt really happy?
Maybe last weekend. I met my best friend after a long time. We had coffee together and talked for hours. It made me feel so light and joyful.
That's great. I think spending time with people you love is the best happiness.
Totally agree. Okay, so we talked about happy feelings. Now let's move to the other side, when we feel sad.
Yeah, sadness is a part of life too. Everyone feels sad sometimes.
That's right. It's okay to feel sad. It means we care about something.
Exactly. So, Mia, what kind of things make you feel sad?
I feel sad when I miss someone, like when my family is far away. Sometimes I really miss my mom's cooking or my dad's jokes.
Yeah, missing family can be really hard. I feel the same when I'm far from home.
And sometimes I feel sad when plans don't go well, like when I try hard, but things don't work out.
Oh, I totally get that. I feel sad when my pet is sick or when someone I love is upset.
Aw, that's really touching. Pets are family too.
Yeah, they are. You know, sadness is a natural emotion. We can say things like, I feel sad, or I'm feeling down, or I feel blue.
Feeling blue? That's a nice phrase. It means feeling a bit sad or not very happy.
Exactly. You can also say, I feel upset, or I'm not okay today.
And when you're talking to a friend who feels sad, you can say, I'm here for you. Or, do you want to talk about it?
That's such a kind thing to say. Sometimes people just need someone to listen.
Yes, talking helps a lot. When you share your feelings, you feel lighter.
True. Hey Mia, what do you do when you feel sad?
I usually take a walk. Fresh air helps me. Or I listen to soft music. Sometimes I just cry a little, and that's okay too.
Yeah, crying doesn't mean weakness. It's just releasing emotions.
Exactly. And after that, I feel calm again.
I usually talk to my sister when I feel sad. She always makes me laugh, even when I don't feel like it.
Oh, that's sweet. Having someone to talk to really helps.
Definitely. So, listeners, don't be afraid to say, I'm sad. It's part of being human.
Yes, sharing how you feel is brave. And remember, sadness always passes. Sunshine comes back.
That's a beautiful way to say it.
Okay, now let's talk about another strong feeling, anger.
Oh, yes, that's a big one. Everyone gets angry sometimes.
Yeah, even calm people. So, Alex, what usually makes you angry?
Hmm, maybe when someone is rude or doesn't respect others. That really annoys me.
Yeah, disrespect makes me angry too. Or when people don't listen and just keep interrupting.
Oh, yeah, that's the worst.
Sometimes I get angry when I'm really tired or hungry. I think everyone does.
Laughing. That's true. Hangry. Hungry plus angry.
Yeah, that's a funny but real word people use.
When we talk about anger, we can say, I'm angry or I'm mad.
Yes, or I'm upset, or that really annoys me.
Or I can't stand it, but only if you're really frustrated.
True. But it's important to speak calmly when you're angry. Yelling doesn't solve the problem.
Exactly. When I feel angry, I try to take deep breaths and wait before I say anything.
That's a great way to handle it. I sometimes write in my journal. It helps me think clearly.
Oh, nice idea. Writing helps to release emotions.
Yeah, and after that, I can talk about what made me angry without shouting.
That's smart, because when we talk kindly, people listen better.
Yes. You know, Alex, sometimes people don't say I'm angry. They just stay quiet.
That's true, but holding it in can make you feel worse later.
Exactly. It's better to say, I feel upset about this, instead of shouting or staying silent.
Right. Expressing anger in a healthy way is really important.
Totally. So, friends, if you feel angry, take a break, breathe, and talk calmly. It really helps.
You know, Mia, feelings are not always just one color.
What do you mean?
I mean, sometimes we feel happy and sad at the same time.
Oh, yes. Like when you say goodbye to a friend who's moving away, you're happy for them, but sad to say goodbye.
Exactly. Life is full of mixed feelings.
Yeah, and it's good to learn how to describe them. You can say, I have mixed feelings, or I feel both happy and sad.
Right. It helps others understand you better.
You know, Alex, I think understanding feelings helps us connect with people deeply.
I agree. When you understand your emotions, you can also understand others.
That's true. Empathy, that's when you can feel what others feel, is such a beautiful thing.
Yes, and even simple words like, I understand how you feel, can make a big difference.
So, Alex, how can our listeners practice talking about feelings every day?
Maybe start small. When someone asks, how are you? Don't just say, I'm fine. Say how you really feel.
Yes, you can say, I'm happy today, or I feel a little tired, or I'm excited about something.
Exactly. It makes your conversations more real.
And it helps you learn new words, too.
You can also keep a feelings diary. Every night, write one sentence, how you felt that day and why.
That's a great idea. It helps with writing and understanding emotions.
And don't worry if you make mistakes. The goal is to express, not to be perfect.
Yes, language grows when we use it. So, friends, remember, it's okay to feel happy, sad, or angry.
Emotions are part of life.
And learning to talk about them in English helps you connect better with others and with yourself.
Well said, Alex. Thanks, Mia.
So, listeners, tell us, what makes you happy? Or what do you do when you feel sad or angry?
We'd love to hear your answers in the comments below.
And don't forget to like this episode, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Mr. Learning Channel for new English podcasts every day.
Yeah, come back tomorrow for another fun, easy English conversation.
Until then, take care, stay positive, and keep smiling.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!